Hi there, my name is Gary Carroll. I'm the Director of Restore Solutions. So who is Restore Solutions and why would you choose Restore Solutions? Well, Restore Solutions come about from 2014, and before that I owned a cleaning and restoration business for over 20 years, and it was a successful business that I sold and developed as one of the leaders in the industry. So now what we're about is we're about supply and educating our customers. So we are not your competitor. We are your partners. We are partners in your business to help you succeed. We supply you the best of the best equipment. We have some major brands that we have in our arsenal. Some of our major brands here. A lot of brands from Europe. One of our brands in particular, DBK from Drymatic, DBK Drymatic Equipment, we're giving 10-year warranty. So this is one of them, to name a few. So we choose the best of the best equipment. So we don't sell on price, we sell on quality. And we back it up with our backup service by educating you on the job, whether it's online, face-to-face, through pictures, through video, any way necessary, we can educate you to make sure that you get the desired result from your jobs that you're doing. So these are some of the reasons why you should choose Restore Solutions as your restoration, cleaning and restoration supply company. So check out our website for further details at restoresolutions.com.au, and we'd love to help you. Thanks again.